So hello guys, welcome back to another awesome tutorial by wavetech.ai. Today we are going to tell you about a new software that we are building on is CRDR. CRDR stands for Class Resolutions and Diagnostic Reports. It helps the team leader to get to know about the past clashes and to compare it with the newer clashes. It can compare both the reports that were before class resolution report and after the class resolution report, so that it can give him a better opinion about what is going on in the team and how many clashes do they have to work on. Also, it can help you to target on things like it is either resolved or not, and it is unresolved, and what are the status of the current problem. So let's not waste any time and let's go to on this. First of all, we will open any Navisworks Manager you are working with. Right now, I'm working on Navisworks Manager 2024, so I will be going with that. You can go with any one of that. So let's open this. There are also some key factors that you have to remain in your mind, that you have to save the before class resolution report as name as TP01 and after the class resolution report as TP02. It will be very helpful for our software and for you to understand what are we doing. Once the Navisworks Manager 2024 or any Navisworks you are working on is open, you simply have to go and append the data. Right now I have saved my both of them in a folder name as CRDR tutorial. First I will append TP01, and here we'll see the check the clashes. I will add test and I will name the test as TP01 versus TP01. I will select both the categories. The type should be hard, tolerance should be 0.20, and I will eventually run the test. Here you can see that it is giving a 548 clashes. You have to do nothing, just close it for now, and you have to append the TP02. Now TP02 is opening. I'll again go to class detective. I will add test. Right now I will give it the name TP02 versus TP02, and again the same method that we have did before. The type should be hard, tolerance should be 0.20, and I will run the test. So you can see by using our Bamrock we have came from 548 to 43. You have already seen the videos of how to use Bamrock. If you have not seen that tutorial, you just go back and watch it. It is very helpful for you and it will be a boon for you and for your company. So right now as we can see that TP01 and TP02 is 548 to 43 clashes. Now right now we'll close this, and now we have to make the report for the team leader to understand what are we really doing. So here you can see the above ribbon. Here you will see wavetech.ai. You just have to open wavetech.ai. Here two options will be CRDR BIM and about wavetech. If you want to learn about our company, you just have to click on about wavetech.ai. You will be directly be presented here, and it will tell what is wavetech.ai is about and what do we do. After that you have to do nothing, just close it for now and open the CRDR BIM. Here you have to locate where you have saved the files, like I have saved in CRDR tutorial, and I will press OK to it. So when we have shown you that we have to go to the about wavetech.ai and you can learn about wavetech, what wavetech does. One thing I forgot is like what you have to keep in mind when you are like in the class relative thing, you have to be, this is should be capital, that TP01 versus TP01 should be in capitals, and TP02 versus TP02 should be in capital, because if you do not do this, maybe our software won't be working. So right now we'll open Crdr BIM again, and here I'll go to the Crdr tutorial. I'll OK it. It will directly prompt me that TP01 is found. After that, it will say TP02 is found. Now it will ask me the start, the end clash number. Right now this is a tutorial video, so I'm going with 01 to the first 10 clashes of a project. I'll submit it. Here you can set the dimming. If I show you, the dimming is right now 26%, so you can see that most of the part is dimmed. And if I came back again to 77 around, right now we'll go with 44%. I'll submit it. Right now it is taking some time to make the report generate of the first 10 clashes that is going to our server, and thus it is right now it will ask as a project name. I will give the name as tutorial. You can name it anything you want to, but for me tutorial stands good. Now it is saying that the HTML is successfully created at this here. You can just press OK. Now we'll check our tutorial. It is saying that top 10 clashes, top clashes are 10, resolved 10, unresolved 0, approved 0, and resolved but to be connected manually are 0. So here it will give you the element 1 ID and element 2 ID. It will show you where are they. Like right now we'll go into this. It will show you that how they are being before, how was it, like how they are clashing, and right now how we have solved it. And also you can navigate to it, any one of them, and can see. Also here you will get that you can also dim it. You can also dim TP01 or TP02, whichever you want to. Right now if you select both of them, it will vanish, and you can check on it. Once you close this, you will again back to the same thing, and here you can also put it in this is resolved, it is resolved or not, it is unresolved, it is resolved but to be connected manually or approved. Here like this you can do everything, and once the team lead has everything in his front of his eyes, he can easily manage everything and can respond to. Now we'll just close it. It will say the final HTML has been saved. We will be saying OK to it. We will minimize it. We will go to our Crdr tutorial. Here you will see that every photo which you have taken right now, and you can just open the report. Sorry, I have opened with Visual Studio Code. You can open it with any browser you are working with. Right now I'm working on Brave. I will open it, and here you can see the report has been generated. Now the team leader can send this report to any team and can tell them where they have to work, where they do not have to work, and it will make their work very easily and very fine, thus helping you more and more. This is from our side, the wavetech.ai presents you Crdr, and we hope you like it, and thank you so much. Please stay tuned with us. Thank you for your support.